you guys are well. Hope you guys are fine. As you guys can see, your day is fine. I'm so excited, you guys, because my things are gradually falling into place for me. Recently, I started an online business, food stuff business online. So I just started and I source almost all the things myself. So one thing with an online, if you are a food stuff seller, you have to source your products, source your materials yourself. The ones that are beyond you is the one you can look for a contact and all those stuff. So most things I source all of them for myself, and the packaging itself, because you order some online and it will not be what they'll deliver to you. So I source my packaging. So the thing is, I'm going to pick up the label, the finish, my label, my stickers, my packaging. Just my leather. I'm so happy, you guys, because I'm almost done with all this stuff. So, and the thing is, I just gave them this job on Friday evening, and today is Tuesday. They called me since morning to come and pick it up. Hopefully, I carry you guys along. Ciao, ciao. Hey guys, this is how our packaging is looking like. You guys, we are happy to announce to you that Happy Farms and Food is about to kick off. For all your foodstuff needs, just send us a DM, or you give us a call or WhatsApp us on 09029364264. We are your best plug when it comes to all your foodstuff items. And don't forget that we are always here to serve you. Happy Farms and Food, the best blog for all your foodstuffs needs. Hey guys, so we have a new addition to our family of Happy Farms and Food. Yeah, we got a dehydrator, you guys. So I'm so excited to do the unboxing and see what that's inside the dehydrator. I'm so excited, you guys, for this my business, and I'll use it for dehydration of vegetables, protein, and so on. Whatever thing we are going to use it to dehydrate, you guys. So I'm so excited. So let me just go and show you guys, do the unboxing and show you guys what it came with. And guys, the thing is, I ordered it on Thursday. No, I ordered it on Wednesday, and it was delivered to me on Thursday. Like the thing was so prompt. Like the delivery was so prompt, and it's a fabricated one though. So the fabricated, the office is in Kaduna, and I will leave the Instagram handle of the vendor. Like, she's so sweet, you guys. I'm so excited for this addition. Yeah, so let's go. Let me show you guys how it's all about and everything. So come, let's go.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture.
Hello guys, so this is the dehydrator that I purchased, and doing this unboxing I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I forgot to mention, this dehydrator is a 10 tray dehydrator. It comes with electricity and gas, that meaning you can use gas when there's no light, and you can switch over to electricity when there is light. So yeah, this is the unboxing. In here I have the spark lighter and the temperature regulator. This temperature regulator helps you to regulate the temperature of whatever you are dehydrating. I have the socket or the fuse, and the gas hose or the pipe, whatever you call it, which transfers gas from the cylinder to the dehydrator, you guys. So yeah, and also there's a heat extractor that it came with, you guys. So I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting to buy this for a very long time, you guys. It's a 10 tray dehydrator, meaning the capacity of whatever you want to dehydrate, it can contain it. Like you can use it to dehydrate protein. Why am I using you can? I can use it to dehydrate my protein. I can use it to dehydrate my vegetables. I can use it to dehydrate pepper. I can also use it to hydrate pap, guys. Like I've used it to dehydrate my pap. I've used it to even dehydrate my fish. You guys saw it. I've used it to dehydrate my fishes and all those stuff. So yeah, Happy Farms and Food is an online food business. Please come and patronize us. Come and buy your foodstuffs from us. Our Instagram handle is Happy Farms and Food Enterprise, and we are legit in this our business. We are a registered business owners. Please come and buy from us. We don't scam people. We sell quality. We sell good stuffs for your food traveling. We sell good food stores for your party. We sell good food stores for any kind of celebration you want to do. Even if you want to do your hamper this Christmas period, please come and buy from us. Come and buy from us. We also do international and local deliveries. In case you want to buy from us, please come and buy from us. This is me unboxing my dehydrator. I'm so happy, you guys. Just look at how I'm blushing and laughing. I'm so happy, you guys, for this addition. I really need this for my business because I want to be doing my hygiene. I want to be dehydrating my stuff in a hygienic way. I don't want a situation where you take all your dehydrate whatever thing you want to dehydrate outside and you get it contaminated. So with this, you can dehydrate it and there won't be any insect or fly that will be perching on it. So yeah, this is just me unboxing my stuff. Bye guys, thank you for watching.